Hi, it's Jason here. I'm your ARI account rep. I've been sending you numerous emails for quite some time, so I appreciate your continued support. Want to cover the next part integration process with ARI. It's very simple, a couple clicks and you're done. So from the main page of your ARI account, we click on settings on the top right-hand side over here. Want to scroll down about 3/4 of the way down the page to you where you see it says Parts Procurement. Click on that. You're going to see it says Next Part. Click on Setup. And if you don't already have a PartsTech account, you'll see there's a link right here that says create one here. Click on that. There's no credit card or payment details required, so there's no worries there. After you've created your Nexpart account, you're going to have a username and password for your account. Fill in those details here. Click connect now, and that's it. Once that's done, you'll be able to order parts via Nexpart from inside ARI itself. It's that easy. Thanks so much for choosing ARI and take care. Bye for now.